Basically, all snoring is bad, but some is much worse than others.
Okay.
And, I have mild sleep apnea, which means I have 5 to 10 instances, and I have to retest. I might have resolved my issue, but I have 5 to 10 instances of not breathing an hour.
Ooh.
Um,
Interesting.
but
Okay.
the definition of apnea is 5 and above,
Okay.
but the medical system won't do anything for you if you're 2 to 4.
Oh, geez. And that's still bad.
But that's not good. You don't want to choke
You're not
4
breathing.
times an hour. So that's the other thing is like nailing this breathing health thing, even if you don't necessarily have like a diagnosis of sleep apnea, is super important, and it's the primary reason why you're probably not getting deep sleep at night.
Interesting.